Hello and welcome to today's video. This is a quick progress update on the 1995 Solectria E10 restoration. The front battery box cover is now installed, as you can see. I've fabricated the mounting bracket here, and there's another mounting bracket in the back there. You can see it's nice and shiny aluminum. So now the front battery box cover is on. The truck is actually on right now, so the vacuum pumps might turn on and off. As I'm talking here, I've unplugged the front power steering controller. There goes the vacuum pumps. There's a little vacuum switch, so once they pull the vacuum down, it'll kick out. There you go. And yeah, like I was saying, I unplugged the power steering controller so that it's not very loud. The reason I did that is I've got the drives both hooked up. We're on right now. I've just got this one hooked up, and if you watch the previous video, it wouldn't go. Well, the reason it won't go is because the pedal is stuck full on, so I need to go figure out what's going on with that. But the reason the drive won't enable is because it says, hey, you're commanding full throttle, and you can't do that. It has to be either zero throttle or full regen, or somewhere regen to where you've taken your foot off of the throttle pedal in order for it to enable. So that's just a safety system they have in there, and good thing we don't have the belts installed, and good thing they got that safety system, otherwise it would launch itself through the garage, which would be really bad. My wife would not be happy. So we are running off a little USB here to serial adapter, and you can see it just goes right on in. So that's using the RS422 to RS232 serial adapter. It's built into the drive now. Installed that in the last video. I think I talked about that. You also noticed previously we were missing the other drive. It's been installed. You can see the little shiny mount down there. I fabricated the motor controller mount since those were missing as well. But yeah, we gotta go troubleshoot what's going on, why the throttle is stuck full on. I think we might have lost a wire somewhere. So anyways, that was a quick little update. Oh, one other thing. I actually programmed both of the battery chargers back here are now programmed properly for the gel cells that are in here. It's going to kick out, or it'll charge up to 180 volts and then drop down to like 167 or so for float charge. And yeah, so those have been programmed. They're both programmed identically. Took some pictures of that. I didn't do a video of it because it's kind of boring. And tested. I actually had it plugged in up at the top there with my cable in the actual, you know, where you plug in the charge. So all of that's working. That's been tested, and yeah, so that's pretty much the progress so far. I'm going to see if I can't figure out what's going on with this throttle. If I can get that, that looks like everything else works because I cycled through the power setting works. You can see this bar here where it's at economy mode right here. It's currently 0 because I got the pot turned all the way down, so we're only requesting 3.3 amps, but I can come in here and turn the power setting knob up. Go like halfway there. And you can see now we're requesting 103 amps. So even though it can't do that because, you know, it's not actually hooked up to anything, or it's not enabled. So that's all working. Forward reverse switch is working. It sees all that. So the only thing that's messed up is that the throttle is pegged at 100% all the time. And I just gotta go look into that. But anyways, quick update. Thanks for watching.